Ubak lakmen rembui Menteri Kampo Ieng bat ukon rat sangma Menteri Rangba Kajela kilaong bakidang ap ya ke report na kipulit Halor kajinglap ya ubom balakam balabo da ke Hnlc hak sau tarik urusau arajar arpwe khmat ko office jong ke NPP hala chumia.
I have not got an official report yet from the police department. So once I get the full report, whatever I've seen is through the media. So it not be possible for me to react on the basis of that. So once I get a report from the officials, once the police gives me a full detailed inquiry into this entire incident, then I'll be able to make my comments to the press. So kindly wait till I get a report from the officials of the police department.
But isn't this a lapse, because we're seeing that earlier there were threats already to politicians?
That's why I said that without getting the report, it's difficult for me to give any comment. This is a law and order question you're asking me. So all the information I've received is only from the press, coming in social media. So it will not be proper for me to react on that. Let me get the report officially and then I'll get back to you. Okay?
Security to NPP leaders, because there is a threat to NPP.
Let me get a report, then I'll reply back. Okay? Yeah, thanks.
So, yes, but is this a lapse, because once again we're seeing here that this has happened again?
Right.
Was there a lapse? Yes.
Everything will be under investigation. So as of now, I cannot say anything until the full report I got. Thank you.
What about the threat against one political party?
We will see all, everything we will analyze. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.